So, last hiking na namin to guys. Tapos bukas, impake na naman. Para makauwi. Tignan mo yan si Clint oh. Dito kami dumaan, sabi niya, I want to find another way. And there he is. He found another way. May daan na, naghahanap pa talaga ng ibang daan. Hurry up. Go jump. Good. Now let's go.